Aloha and good evening, Todd Gruppen here. Tonight I want to do a short video tutorial on a screen capture and screencast capture program called Jing. That's spelled Jing. It was created by a company called TechSmith. For more information on the program and to download it to your computer and start using it for free immediately, go to techsmith.com/jing.html and it will take you right to their home page where you can download this wonderful piece of software. The reason that it's important that you have software like this on your computer, and especially when you're starting out in this industry or in any marketing, when you're trying to keep your costs down, is once again because it's free and it actually works. It's a little bit um, less flexible than the program I'm using actually to record this tutorial, but it actually, again, because it's free, it does the job. You just have to make sure that you're keeping track of time in order to make sure that you communicate what you need if you're doing it as a screencast capture. But in order, let's just get started and get right into it. I'm looking for a logo, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Empower Network site, and I would like to capture this Kalatu Access Beta logo so that I can use it in my marketing. And so once you've downloaded Jing on your computer or iMac or Mac or PC is what I was trying to say, it actually, when it's activated, it will always be over just sort of off the side of your screen, and it can be moved anywhere. I just have it over here because I like it over here. So there you go. How do you get started? Is you go ahead and click on the capture. You will get two grid lines that you will use to draw out the picture starting from one corner of the capture area and dragging it to the other corner. And then you have the option of capturing the image, capturing a video, redoing the selection because you did something wrong, or canceling it altogether. Then it tells you exactly what the size of that picture is going to be. Go ahead, capture that image, give it a name, and press save. And it will take you to wherever you want to go ahead and save it. I'm going to go ahead and save it in my Kalatu folder. Makes sense, doesn't it? Click save, and then you'll get this other little pop-up saying that it's done. And to make sure that that's in fact the case, you go back over to your computer, and there it is right there. And it can be used in any marketing piece that you want to. Now, the other use for this, and again, it's a little bit less flexible than other programs that I use. I use Screencast-O-Matic, which I'm using right now to do this tutorial, whereas Screencast provides a 15-minute, 1.5, by the way, 15-minute recording time. Jing only allows you 5 minutes, so you really have to be aware of the time when you're doing it. So let's go ahead to YouTube, and YouTube's kind of the same way. If you want to capture a video, um, YouTube's not really the best example for this particular tutorial because YouTube is very user friendly. You can share it, you can embed video, or you can get an embed code and put it on your blog or wherever you want it to be used, on Facebook or whatever other social media you're trying to use. But for the benefit of this particular tutorial, since I don't have another screencast or video going on right now, I'm just going to go ahead and use the YouTube program. So once again, same thing applies. You're going to use the capture feature. The grid lines will pop up, and you just go ahead and draw out that area that you want to capture and tell it to capture the video. Now you get the 3, 2, 1.
Good evening, Todd.
And as you can see right here, it is actually recording. So I'm just going to do a very short recording. Go ahead, You click finish. We'll go ahead and click stop there. Where's my? I've actually hidden it. Sorry. Once again, there you go. Todd video. And go ahead and click save. And it saves as an SWF file. And one of the problems with that with Jing and using the screencast capture functionality of the software is that in order to post it on YouTube or to work with any other video capture programs, you actually have to change it from an SWF file to an AVI file or MP4. So that's kind of one of the other problems with this program. But again, there are free programs that you can actually download on your computer that will get the job done for you. And so just again, a very short video tutorial. This program actually works if you are doing a blog. If you were getting ready to do a blog and you wanted to go ahead and enter that information, you can actually just log into your Kalatu or whatever other blog that you might have. Click new, post. I'm sorry, I'm having a there we go. Click new post, add media, upload a file, select, go to that the pictures folder, and then type in Kalatu logo, open, and you know what? Whenever you're inserting media into your blog or into anything, make sure that the title and the alternate text you change that name so that it's associated to the title of your blog. That's part of the SEO function. That's just a short piece on SEO. Go ahead and insert this into the blog, and there you have it, a one Kalatu logo. If it wouldn't take as much time, I would actually go ahead and switch that thing over from a SWF file to an AVI so that we could actually do the switch over. But it's really very simple. Again, if you look at, let's see, I am show desktop icons. That's what I was looking for. This program right here, as soon as they all wake back up again, actually will switch your SWF files into a usable file format. It's right here. This company, this software here called IWI Soft Flash SWF to Video Converter, and that's it for tonight. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. I hope it provided value. If it did, please leave me a comment below. If you have suggestions for future videos, you can also leave them there. If you have critique and can share ways that I can actually do this better, I would actually really appreciate those things. So once again, I'm going to go back to the sites that you guys can get it. It's techsmith.com/jing.html. It'll take you right here. It's free. It's easy to use, and it's very, very useful. I want you all to have a wonderful evening, continued luck and energy on your 21-day blogging challenge. Once again, Todd Gruppen from Kaneohe, Hawaii. Aloha.